But I would appreciate it if you tried to grab it.
Of course, absolutely.
But I don't think that's gonna happen. It's pretty sturdy.
Yeah, absolutely. It's sick,
dude, somebody dropped their phone in the water like 2 nights ago. Yeah. They found it though, and they were like chest deep. It was low tide.
Yeah.
It was like under the bridge. Nice. They found it, and she's like, "I got it!" And I was like, "Everybody, give a round of applause!" They found his phone.
All right.
It's a tennis phone.
Yeah. All right, see you soon.
All right, see you in just a bit. Dude, that's cool that you have. That's cool. How much was the GoPro?
I think I paid like $200-300 for that a few years ago.
Cool. I'm gonna find one on the used market. All right, man. Hopefully we can record. Yeah. Cool stuff.
Safe travel.
All right. Thank you.
All right, my beautiful people, we're ready to get this tour started. Give me a proper woohoo.
Woohoo!
All right, love it. So what we're going to do is we're going to move towards this mangrove on the left side, and we'll kind of hug the branches and whatnot and stay on the right side. But we'll be going on the left side of the mangrove. Y'all, and as you can see, this time of year our 8 o'clock tour kind of turns into our sunset tour. Yeah, typically earlier in the year we'll be getting dark, you know, a lot earlier, but this time of year, kind of mid to late summer, even early summer, you get this kind of sunset. You're getting some beautiful colors on those clouds behind us today. We call this our Don Cesar location. That Don Cesar is going to be that big, beautiful pink castle, that hotel you see right behind you. Now that hotel's been open about 100 years. Started construction in 1927. So it'll be turning 100. Be joining the Century Club next year. Now the architect himself, Thomas Rowe, the man who built it, he actually used to live in this little baby blue house over here. He lived there until he died. He oversaw the construction of the hotel. And at some point he did run out of money, he did run out of funding, and no other than Al Capone himself actually came in and fronted him the rest. And then later during the war, it was used as a rehab facility for the troops. And that actually leads a lot of people today to believe it's haunted. So right next to us, this mangrove here is called Bird Island. And can you guess why? It's actually a bird sanctuary. It is protected by the state in the city. And yeah, as you can see, they like to hang out over there on the treetops. It's great real estate for them. Not only that, but these mangroves are really important to our ecosystem and our natural habitats of the area. They provide a place for the birds to hang out, and the branches and the leaves, once they fall off and kind of get broken up, they in turn feed the algae, which feeds the small fish, the big fish, and then the birds eat like kings. Yeah, you'll see brown pelicans, egrets, cormorants, great blue heron, night heron. And then also, mangroves have a very dense root system, so they actually provide a lot of structural integrity to the land they inhabit, which in turn, during a hurricane, will actually keep the land together quite nicely. We got a great blue heron standing up tall and proud over there on that treetop. And then we're gonna be making a left-hand turn coming up. We're about to pass over this oyster bed. Now we're gonna come out wide on this turn, everybody. So we're gonna go out just a little bit farther. Then we're gonna start making our turn. And right about here is good. As you can see, it's very shallow here. All kinds of seagrass, conch shells. Sometimes barracuda and mullet like to hang out over here. Maybe even a snook if you're lucky. Alright, as we make our turn into this canal over here, I want everybody to stay on their left side. Oh! Got some crazy chain lightning going on next to us.
Yeah. Crazy what?
chain lightning.
Oh.
Yeah, keep an eye out. You'll see some pretty nice patterns.
That's not good.
It ain't coming anywhere near us though. As we move along the canal here, you'll notice we're still seeing the effects of the damage of Hurricane Helene about 2 years ago. The seawall hasn't been repaired yet. There's some more damage up ahead. Yeah, even up until earlier this year, I was still seeing construction on a lot of these waterfront houses. It took quite a toll on the community here. This is some of the lowest lying neighborhood in St. Petersburg. Pretty much anybody who was anybody got flooded. And then, yeah, if we can just come to your left side, we do have a boat passing by. Yep, got some repairs going on here, looks like. And then over here you can see the wind is totally almost collapsed this seawall. You have to be prepared. lakes. This is a speed controlled zone, so yeah, unless the people are real jerks, you usually won't get too many big lakes out here if you're out paddling on a kayak. Yeah, manatees do come through here. These are intercoastals, so they do lead out to the Gulf. So anything that you can see out in the Gulf, you can see out here. A lot of these docks will have kind of freshwater hoses hanging off the side. And the manatees, they like to drink that fresh water. So sometimes you'll see them over there. Other times they'll be kind of up close by the mangroves, over by the seagrass. They are vegetarians. It's a lot more common to see like dolphins out here than manatees. Yeah, we're almost to the bridge. So we're actually going to park underneath there. Take a little break for a little while. So yeah, not far now. Yeah, not sure how long, if you guys are locals or if you guys have been here for a few days, but we did just kind of get over a bit of a tropical storm. So yeah, you can kind of see just the last little bits of that over there. But yeah, I was pretty much done with for the most part. Been a great photo opportunity, kind of looking down the waves, all these lights and these arches. You brought your phone with you. What we're going to do is we're going to park right here. We're going to hang out here for just a little while. I can already see catfish starting to kind of crop out. So yeah, if you're feeling up to it, you can go ahead and take out that fish food and just dump in a little bit at a time. I think it's better if you dump it in toward the front where the light's at. And then you can feel free to come out and peek at the sunset, getting the last little bits of it over here. I've seen better, but it's pretty nice. Get some great sunsets here in Florida, especially by the beach. Yeah. Anybody who's just joining us, go ahead, take out that fish food. This is where we're going to be feeding our catfish out. We're going to be hanging out here for quite a while. So yeah, make it last little bits at a time. Now also guys, what you can do is you can take your paddle and just kind of tap it on the surface. It'll make a little bit of noise. And the catfish will actually come up right to you. Maybe come out in the middle a little bit. We're getting blown a little by the wind. Yeah, you can come hang out next to me if you want. Yeah, I don't mind. Yeah, look at that. There we go. You guys local?
Sometimes.
What's that?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Were you based out of?
We're in Jackson.
Jackson? Oh, okay. That's good enough. Like San Diego and San Francisco. You like the Gulf side or the Atlantic side more?
Do you know Shark? Do you know the Jaguars? Do you know the football team? And Shad Khan, the owner?
I'm not familiar.
Look him
Okay, look him up because you could be his son.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
up. Probably get him for
What's
free.
his
You should
name?
go claim.
I should. Yeah, what's his name?
Shad Khan,
Shad
The
Khan.
owner of the Jaguars.
What's that?
owner of the Jaguars.
Owner
football
of the
team.
Jaguars. Alright. Yeah, I'll look that
And
up.
Manchester United.
Oh, sweet. I get a lot of celebrity like oh, you look like this guy.
You won't be able to get into football games for free.
Yeah.
I'm the brother.
Yeah, I'm the nephew.
You gotta grow your mustache a little longer and twirl it up.
That's what I'm trying to do actually. I ordered some mustache wax. It should be coming tonight actually. I did. Yeah. I'm going all in. I am, yeah. I'm committed. Yeah. I had a beard once, but I'm kind of liking the mustache look.
Yeah, it's cool. I dig it.
Thank you, Mike. Yeah, pretty soon you're gonna see me with the curls in it.
Yeah, it's already working.
Yeah, it's already kind of doing its own thing. sometimes they're in the canal with us. Sometimes they're over by the mangrove. It kind of depends. Yeah.
I swear I heard a dolphin.
We were out here on a cruise ship yesterday.
Oh yeah.
It was like the dinner cruise, but we saw dolphins.
Yeah. No, they're out here. Yeah. You don't see them every night, but they're out here. I've seen them quite a bit. Yeah. I've seen a manatee here once. He was actually back in the middle of that canal that we just came through. Yeah.
Have you ever gone to Three Sisters Rocks?
No, I haven't.
I see all over the top. It's like an hour.
Yeah, the springs have a lot of wildlife. Even they got turtles and
Like
stuff.
4 different manatees.
Yeah.
In the water.
Yeah, and the water is like, this is pretty murky. But, you know,
Yeah.
the water is a lot more clear in the springs. It's all alpine, you know, kind of. So yeah, I haven't been up there yet. I'm trying to go. I'm trying to probably go up there like one of these weekends coming up. You know. Yeah. Trying to convince one of my coworkers to take me up there. Again, he's lived here his whole life. I'm kind of new, so.
Oh, how long have you lived here?
It's 8 months.
Okay.
December. Yeah.
Where are you originally from?
California.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Bit of an adjustment.
A bit. I mean, it's pretty close. I mean,
Yeah.
I grew up in like Huntington Beach, like Orange County.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's a pretty, it's a beach town.
Yeah.
You know, it's a beach town.
Yeah.
Their culture's a little different, but it's, it feels like home enough. You know, which is
Good.
cool. So, but yeah, moved out here in December. Drove. That was awesome.
Okay.
Yeah. I stopped in Louisiana. I stopped in Houston. Stopped in Arizona. My grandparents live out there.
Okay.
Yeah. So I made a whole like trip out of it. A whole little road trip.
Cool.
What about you guys? Where are you from?
Indiana.
Indiana. You ever been out? You ever been out to the West Coast?
I have never.
You gotta stay clear of it, or
Well, we recently went to New York last year, and I told them since I saw New York, I want to go see Las Vegas.
Las Vegas. Yeah, Vegas is cool. It's not really my thing, but it's cool. Yeah. Definitely.
Just want to like experience.
You gotta see it. You gotta see it once. Yeah. It's a good time.
We're thinking about moving down here someday.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's just so peaceful.
It is.
know?
It is. Yeah, and in St. Pete, people are really nice. Everybody's really nice.
Yeah.
Which is cool. I was a little worried. I'm like, oh, I'm coming from a liberal state. Everybody's gonna hate me, you know. But, nah, everybody's pretty nice. Oh yeah.
My grandma's from California. Don't ask me what part. I don't know.
You don't know?
But I know she was born there.
Was it?
And she moved to Indiana. Her family did when she was 4. Yeah.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. My mom was born in Syracuse, New York, and she moved there when she was 3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. They lucked out. They got a $50,000 house. Now that the land is probably worth like 3 or 4 million.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
It's fucking gnarly. Yeah,
Should we go on an extended tour to find the dolphins?
Yes.
It's not guaranteed, so I don't think we.
I wish. My dolphin is a little rusty, so I don't know.
We're kind of on a time limit.
Yeah. We'll hang out here a little bit longer.
Yeah. Under the mini bridge or no?
Nah, it's too high tide.
Okay.
Yeah, we would.
Yeah, it does actually look pretty high.
Yeah.
Good call.
We would otherwise.
Yeah.
All right, and if anybody's got any more food left, probably time to use that up. We got about 5 more minutes here or so. girls see a lot of catfish?
We did, yeah.
Do you wanna feed a few more?
She does. Yeah.
You guys visiting?
Yeah.
You guys visiting?
We are.
Where are you coming from?
You just call me?
I got you.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, remember you could hold this, but that worked. That's perfect. We're from Minnesota.
Where are you coming from?
Minnesota.
Both of you. Both of you? What's it like over there? Never been over there.
It's cold in the winter, beautiful in the fall, and hot in the summer.
Yeah.
You get a little bit of everything.
That's cool. Get much snow?
Yeah.
Yeah. Snow. Nice. Yeah, I've never ever seen snow fall from the sky. Never. I lived in California before I moved here. Yeah. Yeah, I've always wanted to, I don't know, go to New York or, maybe Washington or Pacific Northwest or something like that. Oregon. Can they get more brought maybe? Honestly, I was just bored. I grew up in
Where in California did you live?
Orange County. Yeah, which is Southern California. It's kind of between like LA and San Diego.
Yeah.
It's a really nice area. It's super wealthy, but
Yeah.
I mean that's where like Disneyland is.
Yeah.
Is like Anaheim. But I grew up in like Huntington, like Newport Beach, and yeah, just
Change of pace.
yeah, I was just over it. And my friend moved out here like 3 years ago, and then he had always told me, he's like, hey, if you wanna come out here, like stay with me, I got an extra room, kind of thing.
Nice.
So yeah, I took him up on it, and yeah, I got my own place back in like last month in June. So
Cool.
staying over in Largo right now.
How far is that from here?
Like 20 minutes. It's just north, a little bit. Yeah,
Nice.
yeah, it's pretty close. Still like the Tampa area.
Yeah.
Yeah, I work down here. Just like all my jobs are down here. I was doing food running over at the Trade Winds Resort, and then I do this at night. So yeah, it's really cool. You been to Tampa before? You been to Florida before?
Not much time
Yeah, I wanna check the Keys out.
Yeah.
Actually, that's cool.
What beach do you recommend? St. Pete's or Clearwater?
What beach do I recommend?
Yeah, between St. Pete's and Clearwater.
So if you're looking for just like a lot more development and like kind of a touristy beach, Clearwater. But I think it's too busy. I think it's a little bit too overcrowded. I prefer like Indian Rocks Beach or like Treasure Island, Madeira Beach, or yeah, St. Pete Beach. But yeah, Treasure Island and Indian Rocks, they're pretty close. It's about
Indian Rocks?
Yes, Indian Rocks.
Oh, Cindian, okay.
No, Indian.
Indian, okay.
Indian
Yeah,
Rocks,
sounds
yeah,
good.
yeah. Indian Rocks Beach, Indian Shores, they're like the same thing. But yeah, it's a little bit more low key, kind of peaceful. I prefer that, But if you want, like ton of like bars, restaurants, and shops and stuff, that's Clearwater.
Clearwater?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we were debating where to go tomorrow.
How much time you got?
We're here until Sunday.
I would go to Treasure Island. Yeah, that place is pretty chill. Or John's Pass. I go like John's Pass. It's in the same area. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. We're staying out in Tampa.
You're in the city?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not too bad. All right, everyone. We're gonna start slowly making our way back up the canal. See a lot of fish, my friend?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
No, that was sweet.
More than you expected, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how I felt when I first came on here. Like, what?
Yeah, no, this is beautiful.
There's like 200 fish here. Yeah.
I don't even think I've ever seen a catfish before.
Oh yeah, no, it was my first time as well.
Yeah?
Yeah, I actually ate catfish for the first time like a week ago.
How was it?
It was pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it wasn't very fishy. It was pretty late, you know.
Ooh, okay, then that
Yeah.
might be for me. I'm not a big seafood guy myself.
Oh, I love seafood. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's do you like cod or anything like that?
I mean, I feel like when you're out here, the seafood is so much. I'm from Buffalo,
Oh.
so I feel like our seafood's ass.
Yeah. Nah, we're pretty blessed with the good seafood out here.
I think I'm gonna have to try something though. You know, I think you're talking me into trying some seafood.
Yeah, grouper is like the big thing out here. That's like that's like the big.
Okay.
It's pretty much on the menu everywhere as a grouper. Yeah, it's pretty good though. I like grouper.
Good to know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel bad. I like my parents and stuff. They'll make like shrimp. They'll get all that good stuff, and I'm just not for it.
Yeah, I know. Thanks. Give me some chicken tenders.
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Palatable.
I've got friends like that too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, you guys are a little far ahead. I just want to let you know, just make a wide left turn, or right turn, my bad. Make a wide right turn once you get out of this canal.
the trailers.
fish in your boat?
Yeah, just a little.
Oh, okay. As long as it's not a barracuda. Yeah, we're almost done here anyway, so we should be okay.